So the car behind me was tailgating the fuck out of the car in front. Wanted to tailgate the fuck out of me. Just some fucking asshole. There he is. Let's see the tailgate race. Let's watch. Yeah, try and be safer on the roads, mate. Huh? Try and be safer on the road.
Safer?
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Well, you're crawling up the arse of every car in front of you. That little Hyundai.
Are you a fucking traffic cop or something?
No, I'm a person in society like you are, so it's nice if we can all like treat each other nicely.
Drive around trying to antagonize people on your motorcycle.
That's what you're doing on your car, dude.
That's what you're doing.
No, it's what you do. It's what you did when you rode up my ass.
Took off
Oh, sorry.
so slow that I almost hit you.
I can go. There's no requirement for me to go as fast as you want me to go. But there is a requirement for you not to endanger my life.
You're not a cop.
Dude, I'm just asking you to be safer.
And don't sit there and point at your cameras like I'm doing something wrong.
You were doing something wrong.
We're doing something wrong also. Antagonizing drivers is not.
By going slowly at that turn?
The turn?
Well, no, sorry.
When you took off.
At the merge? At the merge? Do you mean at the merge?
You had plenty of room to take off and get.
See, the reason why I didn't do that.
The reason you did that was to piss me off.
No, it's because you would have.
I haven't got time for that. It's been for 2 hours. Okay?
It's because you would have tailgated me. That's why I didn't do it. I already knew you were a bad driver.
Fuck you, asshole. Got you on camera, dude. Sorry about your penis. I got you on camera, motherfucker. Nice job, dipshit. I got you. I got you. I got you on fucking camera, bitch. Fuck you, cunt.
You're fucking fun on the road.
Sorry?
Why are you driving and you're using your phone?
What phone? My hand, not on my
You're fucking fun,
you
yeah.
fucking motherfucker. You fucking motherfucker. You fucking piece of shit.
That's it?
Motherfucker.
You finished? You finished?
What's your problem?
The fuck's his problem?
You didn't do shit, dude.
Oh, so fucking running me off the fucking...
Running you off the road. The semi over
What?
fucking right, asshole.
The truck over. Fuck!
You fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck back on your bike. Stop right now.
Then fucking stop pushing me, bitch!
Get on that fucking bike or I'm calling the fucking cops. What the fuck's wrong?
Are you gonna fucking stop pushing me?
You're the one fucking
Are you
around.
gonna fucking
Fuck outta
stop
here.
pushing me?
Hey, are you listening? That fucking truck overcorrected and almost got you. He almost hit me. You fucking damaged that car. Now you're gonna stick around and you're gonna pay for the damage.
Oh, I hit it, huh?
Call the cops.
Huh?
Call the cops.
Huh? I fucking hit it, huh? Didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I did win!
Right now.
Because I got a fucking dash cam right here. I got it all on fucking video.
Good. Good. You're looking for it. You stopped 3 times.
Good, because I'm suing you guys for fucking harassing me.
You know what? You
Oh,
came out here
good.
and you hit the fucking car, and that's on your dash cam too.
Oh, yeah.
It is
I
on your
hit the
dash
fucking
cam, smart
car.
guy.
I hit the fucking car, right?
You did
huh?
hit the car.
No, I didn't.
You did. You
It's
yeah,
on
you
your
did.
Camera, dumbass.
Nope.
Yeah, you did. It's on your camera.
You guys are fucking stupid. If
No.
I would have hit them, they would have fucking stopped! Are you fucking dumb? Huh? Oh, bitch, get the fuck off me! If I would have fucking hit them, they would have fucking stopped.
Go ahead. No, not yet. He's being
You
a
want to.
jackass right now.
And I'm
No,
waiting
I
for
don't
you.
want to fucking hit you.
You stopped 3 times. It's on your dash cam, smart guy.
Ooh, whoop-de-doo. Is it illegal to stop on a fucking road?
Yeah, it is.
Is it, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it
Especially
is.
when you run up to the car.
Since when is it fucking illegal?
Got the cops
By the way,
coming?
you're illegally occupying a lane.
You got the cops
Oh,
coming?
look at that. Oh.
Cops coming?
Oh, you see this, huh? You see that, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Made contact with our car.
Got the fucking roof in that god DZ6618.
Good.
Come on, motherfucker. Come on. You want to fucking start something? You touch me again, I'll knock your fucking ass off.
How about you stop fucking touching me?
An accident and
He's a fucking idiot.
Oh, yeah, woo. You already said you got it, huh?
Got it, punk.
DZ6618. That's right. Oh, yeah, how about you fucking tell him to hurry the fuck up?
Hey, fuck off, prick!
Oh.
Josh, let the cops handle it.
By the way, I'm following you, so you might want to tell him where to go.